Hey there. Are you in charge of the stage of your life? I want you to close your eyes and imagine that you're standing on a stage in front of this big arena, and there are all of these seats all around. And what I want you to do is to imagine who is in your front row. Though that front row is the closest to you and you can see them from the stage. And I want you to imagine who's in that front row. Who are your ride or dies? Who knows where you have hidden the bodies? That's your front row. And I want you to name them. I want you to imagine that they're sitting there, they're encouraging you, they're giving you feedback, they criticize when they think you need it, but they love you. That's your front row. Then I want you to look up in the balcony. And so the people in the balcony you have to deal with, they could be people you work with, it could be family members. But they're not in your front row. They're not who you call first. But you may at some point, or you typically do need them. And then and that's where the most seats are going to be, even before I go further. That's where the most seats are going to be with the people that you know. In your front row, you're only talking about 3 to 5 or 6. But then outside in the parking lot, those are the people who you cannot have in your auditorium because they're toxic. They don't support you. They're not there with you, and you don't need them in your life. So I want you to leave them out there. I don't care who it is. And I want you to name who's in the parking lot. So let's go back real quickly to the front row, because I want you to call, text, email your front row and tell them that you are grateful for them, you appreciate them, and you're there for them as well. I'm Rita, and I'm speaking to your spirit.